Once your data is set up in Kohezion, you might want to analyze it to see trends, aggregates, or summarizations of set data. In Kohezion, there's a powerful feature exactly for this purpose, called the pivot table. And in this video lesson, we're going to show you how to use it, using, as an example, sales order data. First, in the workspace, let's execute a search. This will return everything we have in our orders project. Let's say we want to analyze how many orders we've received over time. But if we go on the top right and select Pivot, we'll be using the exact same dataset, but now we're going to be able to visualize it in a pivot table. Right now, we're only using the count. But now, let's say we want to know the number of orders per customer name. We simply drag customer name into this base, and we can now see the total orders for each customer. You can take this a step further and also use the order year. Now we can see the number of orders per customer per year. If you want to visualize it the other way around, you could place the order date first. You can even show it as columns, just like this. Now, to see the profit instead of using the count, we can use the sum of the profit field. There's a lot of flexibility for data visualization with the pivot table. You can always add, remove, or move everything around. For example, now instead of the sum, we could visualize the average value per order per year. We can push this even further and filter down to see only the data for a few customers. So let's drag and drop customer name and select only David and Estelle, for example. Last, you can change the way the data is displayed here. You could view it as a heat map, or even as a bar chart. Getting familiar with this tool will allow you to quickly visualize and analyze any type of data.